Again guys, here I am driving around again, spending loads of time trying to find somewhere suitable to fly. I've got the HGLRC Sector V on board at the moment, so I'm heading over to another oval. If you got half a second, smash on that thumbs up for me, just to show me you visited. That'd be awesome. I reckon we're going to have a clear run. Let's get that Sector V up in the air. Let's get that HGLRC up in the sky. It's time to fly. Thanks for stopping by. That was quite unintentional, all that rhyming. Hey gang, how you going? You got it. The HGLRC Sector V. I've got the RUNCAM 5 orange up front here. Going to capture some 4K footage. Onboard VTX there, courtesy of Sky Zones. Have a scoot around. Just pop down to a different location here. It's not as big, so I'm going to have to be careful with this thing because this thing really flies. This thing is one crazy powerful unit. Check out my other videos guys of this Sector V, tech specs, unboxings, review, etc. And yeah, you're right, it does go as well as it looks. It is an absolute cracker. Thanks for dropping by again. If you're new here, smash on that bell and thumbs up. Drop me a comment, I answer them all, and it's great to see you. Let's get up in the sky with the Sector V. Thanks for stopping by. As always gang, quick line of sight first, and then we'll hit some FPV footage. She's pretty heavy, nice and steady on the sticks. This thing's got a lovely pitch tune. All the HGLRC stuff's really good. Yeah, looking nice. Do a quick punch out, and then we'll head straight out. Yeah, a little bit of wind here, as I said, folks. I'm just going to need to be careful. I don't want to have any breakages today. And just as I take off, it starts blowing a gale. Okay. And does this thing do flips and rolls? Yeah, absolutely, it sure does. Let's go for a punch out. Get a little bit of aerial, get an aerial shot there. The RUNCAM 5 is also a terrific little unit, folks. If you haven't seen that, I've got some reviews of it. It's a great little addition to your FPV kit, let me tell you. Wind's starting to really blow here. Contemplating calling it quits. No, I shall persist. Okay, let's get a couple of rolls in. This big bird does roll. Couple of flips there. Go for a nice roll here. I'll go into the wind, I think. No, I don't wish to crash. Yeah, it's getting really blowy, guys. I'm getting a little bit concerned. This is one unit I do not want to destroy. And I can see a car behind me, just make sure it doesn't stop and steal anything from my car. Is he leaving? Yes, he's leaving. Just make sure he does leave. It's the trouble when you are FPVing by yourself. You need to make sure your car's locked in case someone steals your gear. And off he goes. Okay, where were we? Oh, that's right. Dodging those trees. Let's go for another scoot up in the sky. Get some aerial photography. We are breaking up a bit here. How's our battery level going? It's not looking too bad. I can get in front of myself here so I can get some GoPro action of me spinning without actually crashing into myself. It's a bit blowy for that, guys. I don't think I'll bother doing that anymore. Okay, I think we'll finish off with a bit of a speed run. Getting low on power now. I'm being pretty conservative on the sticks too, folks. This thing is a bit of a ripper. Very nice. I love this thing. If you guys want to know where to pick it up, check out the description below, of course. And that goes for the RUNCAM 5 Orange as well. Okay, I'm going to bring it home now. Cool. As I said, to bring it home now. A bit windy, a little bit windy. Land. An absolute perler. Finish off with a quick line of sight. Here you can see it is, the wind has picked up a lot. I love flying this thing, guys. HGLRC Sector 5. I need an oval 3 times the size of this because this thing is really fast. Flippin' heck. La la la. Thank you, air mode. Lots of fun. I've got to go have some lunch, but I'm going to come back and fly this thing. This thing rocks. I love it. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Any questions? Welcome. thumbs up if you liked, smash that bell if you want to see some more stuff, check out my other videos. Great to see you. See you again real soon. Take care folks, Sky Pilot. Catch you later on.